For this tutorial we'll be using Lore, which is a yarn by the Fibre Co. It's a 100% lambswool DK weight woolen spun yarn, sourced and spun in the UK from the Romney sheep breed. To find out more about Lore and our other yarns as well as our knitting patterns, head over to www.thefibreco.com. To knit a short row on the purl side of the fabric, you purl for as many stitches as the pattern suggests. So in my case I'm going to do roughly 20. Okay, so now I'm going to make my wrap and turn. So you leave the yarn at the front of the work, then you slip the next stitch purlwise, you bring your yarn around to the back of the work, and you slip that stitch back onto the left hand needle, and then you bring the yarn between the needles to the front of the work again. Then you turn, and now you can see you've got a wrapped stitch here, so the yarn is just wrapped around that stitch. Then you knit all the way back to the end. Now you can see that you have a wrapped stitch. Okay, so here's my first wrapped stitch, and you can see that it's got this little wrap around it. What I do is insert my needle into that stitch, I let it sit on my right hand needle, and then I use my left hand needle to pick up that stitch, that wrapped around the stitch, sorry, and leave that on my left hand needle, slipping that stitch back onto my left hand needle like that. So you've now got your wrap and stitch on the left hand needle. I then put my right hand needle into the two of them and purl them together as one stitch, and that incorporates it into the fabric.